If I talk about myself, so basically, guys, my name is Shivam, and I did my graduation from IIT Kanpur, and I'm the founder at Technique AI. So basically, previously I worked as a data scientist with Parkless. So with Parkless, my basically role was building data science models. Okay, models for the, let's say, predictive model build करना, fraud detection system build करना, गॉस करना कि यूजर ये परचेज करेगा नहीं करेगा, कितना परचेज करेगा, कब परचेज करेगा, all these recommendation systems. तो मैंने वहाँ पे 2 साल काम किया, and from there I learned a lot of things about data science. Okay, and from my masters also. So basically, my masters, I also did my MTech from IIT Kanpur, BTech plus MTech. So in my MTech, I did a research on building personal AI tutor. कैसे एक AI machine बच्चे को personal training पढ़ा पाया, and eventually I also published a paper on the same thing. And eventually I get into development, data science, data analytics, and eventually I understand how things are evolving, how people get the job, and how you can crack the job. So with this thing, currently I think we have launched around 10 plus programs till now in Technique AI from last year, and we saw very amazing growth. So basically till now 1,000 plus students enrolled with us, and most of them are from top IITs like IIT Kanpur, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, ISM Dhanbad, HBTU, IIT Delhi. So the peers that you get here all are from top IITs and top places. So जिससे आपका जो learning experience होगा वो enhance होगा. So it's not just about कि आपने स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स के कॉलेज के फ्रेंड्स से सीख रहे हैं, आपका नेटवर्क बढ़ेगा, आपका कम्युनिटी आगे बढ़ेगा. So what are the problems that we are trying to solve? So basically number one problem is skills gap. इस टाइम पर आप देखोगे तो people don't have skills, या कॉलेज आपका स्किल्स सिखा नहीं पाता है जो भी मार्केट में लोगों को चाहिए. ठीक है, बिकॉज कॉलेज जो करिकुलम होता है दैट इज आउटडेटेड. कॉलेज आपको फंडामेंटली बेसिकल की चीजें बता सकता है कि क्या है, कैसे कैसे चीजें चल रही हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं जो कटिंग एज आपको एआई चाहिए या कटिंग एज स्किल्स चाहिए वो आपको कॉलेज एजुकेशन से नहीं मिल पाती है. एंड फॉर सॉल्विंग दिस प्रॉब्लम वी एग्जिस्ट एट टेक्निक हियर. नो एक्सपीरियंस, बेसिकली डेटा साइंस फील्ड इज इवॉल्विंग, एआई इज इवॉल्विंग. सो अभी जो इंटर्नशिप्स आप वो देख लो या जॉब देख लो, एवरीवेयर दे आर आस्किंग फॉर सम काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. आपने कुछ प्रोजेक्ट किया हो, आपने कुछ कोर्सेज किए हो ताकि आप उस चीज को पिकअप कर पाओ. एंड दिस इज समथिंग जो भी कॉलेज प्रोवाइड नहीं कर पाता. एंड लास्ट इज नो सपोर्ट. लेट्स से इफ यू गो टू लर्निंग डेटा साइंस, आपको यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस मिल जाएंगी, बहुत सारी वीडियोस मिल जाएंगी, बट आप जो कहीं पे स्टक होगे, आपको कोई गाइड करने वाला नहीं होगा, आपको समझाने वाला नहीं होगा, एंड यू डोंट नो द करियर पाथ की कैसे इस करियर पाथ पे चल के जॉब्स लगती हैं. ठीक है, why choose the Technique AI? So basically, Technique AI, you'll get expert faculty, you'll get comprehensive job support, proven success record, and IT LMs and startup support. So basically, we also have a company called First Opportunities where we help people in building their startups and building softwares. So basically, most of our pool also get placed, and the portfolio companies are First Opportunities, जिससे जॉब सिक्योरिटी मिलती है. आपने हमारे पास पढ़ाई करी, and we can also help in getting good internships, good jobs in our portfolio companies. If we talk about our LM's experience, so basically Aman Singh, who was one of our student, he got data scientist job in Flipkart. Shruti Mehta, she got machine learning engineer job at Paytm. The next is Rajat Sharma, yeah, research intern at Microsoft. Rishabh Hegde, data scientist at Accenture. Vikram Nair, yeah, engineer at NVIDIA. Akshay Verma, product manager at Adobe, product manager of AI at Adobe. All these are big companies with good packages, good salary ranges, and these are some of our success stories. We talk about trainers. So basically, we have trainers from top IITs like IIT Kanpur, then Ghent University from Belgium, then IIT Kanpur, PhD scholar at IIT Kanpur, Sujit Chavan at IIT Kanpur. So all these people know in depth what is going on in AI. Okay, they are researchers, and along with that, we also provide a pool of mentors who are industry experts. Okay, those who cracked a good job in companies and eventually leading their data science department. So basically, with this program, we are bringing up two kinds of people. One is people who have hardcore knowledge in AI, and another is who are at top of their career in AI.